Hello everyone, here the question is find the recoil velocity of a gun having a mass equal to 5 kg if a bullet of 25 gram acquires a velocity of 500 meter per second after firing from the gun. So first we will write all the given information. Let us consider the bullet first. So I am writing all the data of bullet, right? So yeah, so what is the mass? I can consider the bullet mass as m1. What is the mass of the bullet? It's 25 gram. And what is the initial velocity? That means before firing, what is the speed of the bullet? So it's something but 0, right? 0 meter per second. And what is the speed of the bullet after firing? It is 500 meter per second. Now we are going to write for gun. What is the mass of the gun? We can consider the mass of the gun as m2. What is the mass of the gun? It is 5 kg. And what is the speed of the gun before firing? So what was that? So u1 equal to, that means u2, right? It is u2 equal to 0 meter per second. And what about the recoil velocity? So after firing, it will be doing the recoiling process, right? So what is the recoil velocity of a gun? It's nothing but v2. That is what we are going to find, right? So what concept we can implement over here? We can implement the conservation of momentum. So what is conservation of momentum? Before firing and after firing, whatever the momentum, they are going to be equal. But here we are going to match both the bullet and gun momentum. So I can consider what is the conservation of momentum for this? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So what is this? This is a momentum of bullet before firing. This is the momentum of gun before firing, which is equivalent to momentum after firing for the bullet, momentum after firing for the gun. So in this, we are supposed to find the value of V2. So all the other values we know, just we are going to substitute and find the value of V2. But before that, here this mass of the bullet is in gram. So we have to convert that to kg. So it will become 0.025 kg. So that's it. Now we are going to substitute all the values. So we know that u1 is also 0, u2 is also 0. So our LHS is going to be 0. And what about RHS? M1 is going to be 0.025 into V1 is what? 500. And plus M2 is what? It's 5 kg into V2. So we don't know what about V2. So that is what we are going to find. And what about here also we'll write the unit so that we'll get the final unit properly. So what is the mass over here? This is in kg and this is in meter per second. Okay. Yes. So now what we are going to do, I will move this 5 kg and V2 I will write over here. V2 into 5 kg equal to 0.025 into 500. So what will be the unit over here? Kg into meter per second. So 0.025 is in kg, 500 is in meter per second. So I'm going to find what is V2. What is V2? It's a recoil velocity of a gun equal to 0.025 into 500 divided by 5. And here unit also will write kg meter per second by kg. So this will go for 100 times, right? Yes. Now our kg and kg also will get cancelled. And here since we moved this one, right, it will be minus over here, right, that we have missed it. So because I moved this 5 kg to the other side now, so obviously minus will be coming. And here if 0.025 into 100, you will be getting minus 2.5 meter per second. So we are getting the velocity as recoil velocity as minus 2.5 meter per second. So why this velocity is actually in negative? Because the gun is moving in the opposite direction of the bullet. Initially the gun will be like this. Just consider this as a gun. The bullet is moving like this. During the recoil process, what is going to happen? The gun is going to move in the backward direction, which is completely opposite to the direction of the bullet. That's the reason we are getting the recoil velocity in the negative term. Hope you understood. Thank you.